a new metal ceiling panel production line is ready to transform our USA customers' factory. This automatic metal ceiling panel production line is specially designed for customers who need high efficiency, consistent quality, and reliable production performance. Before shipment to our USA customer, every machine is strictly tested and inspected to ensure smooth operation, accurate forming, and stable output. Equipped with advanced roll forming technology, this line can produce high-quality metal ceiling panels with precise dimensions, excellent surface finish, and consistent product quality. The whole process is fully automated, helping manufacturers reduce labor costs, minimize material waste, improve production efficiency, and increase market competitiveness. The finished metal ceiling panels are widely used in commercial buildings, office spaces, shopping malls, airports, hospitals, schools, hotels, and industrial facilities, providing modern, durable, and attractive ceiling solutions. Zhongtuo don't just provide machines. We deliver complete roll, forming solutions, and professional technical support for customers worldwide.